Okay, here we are at the site of my new pond. Today I set up this siphon hose to help it get full. It's pretty big. It should sustain a lot of wildlife. And then I have a spillway down here. And once it becomes full and flowing, and then it'll proceed down to Three Rivers down there. And this is my park, I call it, and you can see the grasses beginning to grow under the tree where it filled in. And then there's the little bridge. It's starting to grow a little bit. And the beloved plow, I've done without it. So this pile of topsoil I'm going to bring, once this fill that I dug out settles a little bit more. It was pretty wet. I'm going to spread the topsoil all over the clay areas and plant vegetation. And this hose I put in a few minutes ago is working pretty good. It's a small diameter hose at the top here, and it's really not drawing a whole lot from this pond. This pond's putting out a lot of water. Far more is coming in than it's going out in that hose. So. And then looking up, you could see some additional drainage culverts I put in up there. And then the original, my first video. So everything feeds when it rains. And then down below there, I put another one in to catch groundwater and divert it around the tree. And then that feeds the pond down below. So that pretty much concludes Dan's Nature Sanctuary Construction Project 2006-2007.